Hi, welcome to Green Eggs and Sam. This is our guest chef, Gage. Today we're going to be making microwave Rice Krispie treats. And to start out, you're going to need 3 tablespoons of butter. You're going to need 40 marshmallows. And you're going to need 6 cups of Rice Krispies. Then you're going to need a large microwavable bowl like this one. You're going to need a 13 by 9 inch pan like this. You're going to need a spoon, a spatula, measuring cups and spoons, and you're going to need cooking spray. And you're also going to need, well, you can use chocolate chips or any other things you want to sprinkle on the top after we put them in the pan. You can use M&M's, any kind of candy you want. Alright, so to start out, we're going to spray the pan. I'll hold it up. Oh, yep. It's hard to get off there. And you're going to lightly spray it. So I move it around. Get over here. Alright, I think that's good. Alright.
Now we can put that back on.
There we go. Then you're going to set that aside, so you're going to need that later, but not right now. Alright. Then, you're going to put you have your marshmallows in your bowl, and you can add the butter. That doesn't come out, you can scoop it out with this. Get it out of there. There we go. You're going to put that in there, and then you're going to microwave that for 2 minutes. Oh. There you go. There we go. So you're going to microwave that for 2 minutes. And when you take it out, you have to be extra careful because it might be kind of hot.
Yeah, I'm going to peek in there.
Look at them, they're all puffing up. If you look in the microwave while you have your marshmallows in there, they puff all up really big. You see them? No, they're pretty. Ooh.
So they might pop out of the bowl. Okay, then might be to put it now.
Oh, just give me 1 second. That's okay. They're staying in the bowl. Because they're so sticky, they're stuck together.
Yeah.
And look at how big they are.
Now that they need to be bigger.
Oh, no, fell out. That's okay. We'll pick them up.
Yeah. It's gonna pop.
We'll pick them up with the spatula.
Oh, you're gonna step? This spatula.
Alright. Open them. Be really careful because they're hot. Look how big they got.
This one's going already go too.
Let me take that out and I'm going to get some hot tabs. And you're going to put the ones that spilled over into the bowl. It's very oily. And you want to close the microwave for me?
Yes, you will.
Alright. Sometimes you get some marshmallow on things. So be careful, don't touch the wall here. You're going to want to stir that up.
This one?
Yeah, you can start with that.
And then, let's take now.
It does. And then add these in there while you're stirring them. I'll add them while you stir, okay? You stir those in. Try to stir them in all the way to the bottom. Yeah, try to get like really down there.
Maybe I should do it.
Alright, you can do that. Put them in there. Then I get them all coated with marshmallow. The marshmallow's really sticky, so if you get it on you, you might get a little sticky, but that's okay.
I am not going to do myself sticky.
Okay.
Be kind to your web-footed friends. For the duck may be
My hand is starting to get tired.
Your hand is getting tired.
be kind to your
Just pour the rest of them in there then. You can pour them all at once.
for the weather.
Stir them up.
Ready?
Now you might think
Oh, got the bowl, or the bowl.
there's more.
Is that good?
What is this marshmallows?
That's good. Alright. Stir this all around.
Be
Make
kind
sure
to
it's
your
all coated and stuck together.
for the duck.
Some of the rice Krispies will be at the bottom. They won't stick in, but they'll get in with all the extra marshmallows. Yeah. Grab them up with the spoon. You alright?
This is like a really short on the ground.
Yeah. Good thing. That would be. Alright. And then, now that it's all stirred in, we're going to put it into the bowl. I'll hold it and you can scoop it. Just that. Careful. Still kind
Be
of hot.
kind
Okay,
to your
scoop it all in.
web-footed friends. For the duck may be somebody's mother. Be kind to your friends in the
There
swamp.
you go. Alright, can you hear the spatula? The other one, there's one over there.
Now you might
And then you know what? Scoop it all.
Whoa. That is a lot.
There we go. And now that it's mostly out of the bowl, you can't get it all, but you're going to want to press it into the pan.
Okay.
Yeah, like
Let's
that.
pat it. I'll pat
Add
it.
it in. Try to make it kind of smooth and kind of thinner. Then, time to sprinkle your chocolate chips over. Grab those.
I can grab
One
them
over here. There you go.
over here.
And just grab a handful and sprinkle them on the top. There you go. You're good at that.
I like this part.
And then you're going to want to push them down.
More?
Yeah. You can do as many handfuls as you want. Push them over here. Push them in.
your friends in the swamp. For the weather is very, very damp. Now you
You're going to have to let that, you're going to let that cool, and you're probably going to want to wash your hands because they're probably all sticky now.
Mom.
Yours aren't? Well, that's good. Mine are. So get this stick off, and then you're just going to set this aside so it can cool and the chocolate chips can get all stuck in there. And that's what it should look like. Is that good? Okay. Alright. Okay. So now that you've let it cool, we're ready to cut it up. So you gotta be very careful with the knife so not to cut yourself. So Jay's just gonna cut them.
Now you might think that this is the end, but there's more.
You're gonna try to cut them this way, like that. Use the sharp side. There you go. Sometimes they're kind of hard to cut because they're so sticky. Sometimes you lose some of your heart rate. I'm gonna grab a knife too. So both sides. Here, try to do it like that. And this way.
Okay.
No, you can do it here. You can do it like this. Go like this way, like this. With your knife starting over there, and then push, and then push, push. Yeah. Be careful, don't cut yourself. These knives aren't that sharp. If you use one that's sharp, you gotta be careful when an adult cuts you.
Yep. There we go.
You can put into whatever shape you want. Or you can just cut them all up. Alright.
Now I'm ready to try. So yeah, I'll just try this one. This one.
Alright, yeah, you can just grab it out. I'll try one too.
Be kind to your web-footed friends.
Good.
That doesn't look great. You can then just arrange them onto your plate, or you can serve them like that. And they're ready to go.
For the weather is very